Do you know what amazing products can be made from cow leather?
This is where the journey of high-quality cow leather begins. Workers carefully guide the cattle through the first stage of processing. Here, fresh water is provided to keep the cattle healthy before the next stage begins. Next, the cattle are moved through an automated system designed for safe and controlled processing. Specialists carefully inject the cows to monitor their health and prepare them for the next stage.
Platform 3 approaching the gate.
Biometrics confirm. Initiate scanning sequence.
This section here meets the grade requirements.
Agreed, the texture is optimal.
Pressure spike detected on gauge 4.
Rerouting hydraulic flow. Maintain inflation sequence.
The moisture levels look stable now. Good, the texture is perfect on these.
The moisture reading is stable now.
Good, these heavier ones need careful monitoring on the curve. Feels good. Dry enough for the next stage.
Yeah, the sensors confirm it. Consistent humidity all the way through.
stable now.
Yes, temperature is holding steady at 80. I've logged it.
We need to lower the humidity.
Adjusting the speed now.
Scan result shows a minor defect on this hide.
Noted. Reroute it to quality control immediately.
Careful with that one, it's heavy.
Yeah, I got it. Where does this cart go next?
Keep the flow steady. We need exactly 50 kilograms.
Confirmed, supervisor. I am closing the tank now.
This one is navy, large.
Put it in the blue bin quickly now.
I have the red medium here.
Every one of these premium leather handbags is carefully crafted by our skilled artisans, ensuring the highest quality and durability.
It's the final polish that really brings out the richness of the leather. We stand behind the quality of every shoe made right here.
Welcome to our workshop. We're incredibly proud of this new collection. From these full grain leather duffels to the handcrafted wallets and shoes, it's all made right here.